Hello students, be ready for maths class. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you all are well and doing your study properly. Today we are going to start exercise 13.2 from chapter 13th, Exponents and Power. For your reference, all important notes and formulas are also given before starting the exercise. First sum of exercise 13.2. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. First one, 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8. Student, here the base of all the terms are equal. So we have to add all the exponent. That is 3 raised to 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 3 raised to 14. Their formula used is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Second, 6 raised to 15 divided by 6 raised to 10. Student, here base are equal and division is given. So you have to subtract the exponent. So the answer is 6 raised to 15 minus 10 is equal to 6 raised to 5. Formula used is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Third one, a cube into a square. So the answer is a raised to 3 plus 2, that is a raised to 5. Fourth one, 7 raised to x into 7 square is equal to 7 raised to x plus 2. Student, we cannot find the answer of x plus 2. So this is the final answer, that is 7 raised to x plus 2. Now fifth one, 5 square the whole cube divided by 5 raised to 3. Student, here we have to use two formulas. See properly. First one, 5 square raised to 3 is there. So 5 raised to 2 into 3 divided by 5 cube. Here formula used is a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Now 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 6 minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 3. Here formula used is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Sixth one, 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. Student, please pay attention. Here the base are different but exponent are the same. So we have to use the different formula. So that is into bracket 2 into 5 bracket close raised to 5 is equal to 10 raised to 5. Here formula used is a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab raised to m. Seventh, a raised to 4 into b raised to 4 is equal to a into b the whole raised to 4, that is ab raised to 4. Here formula used is a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab raised to m. Now eighth one, 3 raised to 4 the whole cube is equal to 3 raised to 4 into 3 is equal to 3 raised to 12. Formula used is a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Ninth sum, into bracket 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 15 bracket close into 2 raised to 3. Student, we have to solve first the bracket, that is 2 raised to 20 minus 2 raised to 15, that we have to solve first, that is 2 raised to 20 minus 15 bracket closed into 2 raised to 3. Here formula used is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Now the answer is 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3. Now here we have to use a different formula, that is 2 raised to 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Formula used is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now 10th one, 8 raised to t divided by 8 square. So the answer is 8 raised to t minus 2. The formula used is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Sum number 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. First one, 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. Student, here we have to simplify 4 and 32 first. We have to write 4 and 32 in exponential form as 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to 5. Now using appropriate formula is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 2 minus 5 into 3 raised to 4 minus 1. Now 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 3. Now 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 3 raised to 3. So the answer is 3 raised to 3 because we have to write in exponential form. It's clear everyone? Very good. Sum number 2. Into bracket 5 square the whole cube into 5 raised to 4 bracket close divided by 5 raised to 7. Now here student we have to use the different formula. So please note it properly. So first one is 5 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 4 bracket close divided by 5 raised to 7. Now 5 raised to 6 plus 4 divided by 5 raised to 7 is equal to 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 7 is equal to 5 raised to 10 minus 7 is equal to 5 raised to 3. Third one, 25 raised to 4 divided by 5 cube. Student, here 25 raised to 4 is there. So we have to simplify that first. So 25 raised to 4 that we can write as 5 square the whole raised to 4 and divided by 5 raised to 3. So 5 raised to 8 divided by 5 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Fourth one, 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to 8 upon 21 into 11 raised to 3. Student, we have to simplify 21, that is we have to find out the factors of 21 which is 3 into 7. So our question is 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to 8 upon 3 into 7 into 11 raised to 3. Now simplifying this is equal to 3 raised to 1 minus 1 into 7 raised to 2 minus 1 into 11 raised to 8 minus 3 is equal to 3 raised to 0 into 7 raised to 1 into 11 raised to 5 is equal to 1 into 7 into 11 raised to 5. So the final answer is 7 into 11 raised to 5. It's clear everyone? Very good. Fifth one, 3 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3. Student, please take care. Here we have to solve the denominator first. That is 3 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 7 is equal to 3 raised to 7 minus 7 is equal to 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. It's clear everyone? Very good. Sixth one, 2 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0. Student, we know that anything raised to 0 which gives you 1. Therefore, 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1 and 4 raised to 0 is equal to 1. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. It's clear everyone? Now seventh one, 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 0 into 4 raised to 0. So same thing here, 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1 and 4 raised to 0 is also equal to 1. That is 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. It's clear everyone? Very good. Eighth one, into bracket 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 bracket close into 5 raised to 0. Now anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, into bracket 1 plus 1 bracket close into 1. That is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. It's clear everyone? Very good. Ninth one, 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 upon 4 cube into a cube. Student, please note it down. Here in denominator 4 raised to 3 is there. So we have to simplify that first. That is 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 upon 2 square the whole cube into a cube is equal to 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 upon 2 raised to 6 into a raised to 3. On simplifying this, we will get 2 raised to 8 minus 6 into a raised to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 square into a square. Now again use one simple formula. We will get into bracket 2a the whole square. It's clear everyone? Very good. 10th one, into bracket a raised to 5 upon a cube bracket closed into a raised to 8. First simplify the bracket, that is a raised to 5 minus 3 into a raised to 8 is equal to a square into a raised to 8. Now use some simple formula. We have to add the exponent as the base are the same. Therefore a raised to 2 plus 8 is equal to a raised to 10. It's clear everyone? Very good. 11th one, 4 is to 5 into a raised to 8 b cube upon 4 is to 5 into a raised to 5 b square. On simplifying this, we will get 4 is to 5 minus 5 into a raised to 8 minus 5 into b raised to 3 minus 2 is equal to 4 is to 0 into a cube b raised to 1 is equal to 1 into a cube b is equal to a cube b. It's clear everyone? Very good. 12th one, into bracket 2 raised to 3 into 2 bracket close the whole square is equal to into bracket 2 raised to 3 plus 1 bracket close the whole square is equal to 2 raised to 4 the whole square is equal to 2 raised to 8. It's clear everyone? Very good.